facilities like this allow us to go in and test bed a lot of our customers' products, and also gives us a chance to bring in our construction teams and commissioning teams to get their hands on this equipment earlier.
Our hot aisle containment, you have flexible panels, you can just wheel in racks here. It's completely sealed off. We do have 2 Avtron load banks here. These are actually the first prototype units that you see. It's unit 1 and 2. These units, you can see they're very compact and each of them is half mag. Another thing to show you is this is a hybrid environment. So as you can tell, we have DCAs, we have DFUs. The idea for the lab is not only to show water cooled, but to show a hybrid environment.
Really here at Aligned, our competitive advantage is our Delta series of equipment, the Delta Cube and the Delta Flow. It's also in the people who are behind it. It's just a fantastic example of the investment that Aligned is making into its people, into its products, into its customers.
The main reasons of the lab being here is to train you guys. You guys are here for it. And to us, this is as important as developing the technology, is passing on the knowledge to you guys. So when you're in the field and you're deploying these things, you know what you're doing and you don't have to worry about it.